Okay, guys, so we finished. Resonator's been deleted. Let me show you guys. Pretty straightforward. Everything up there stayed the same. Resonator is gone. No more 24-inch resonator. Pipe in its place, as you guys can see. And then there's the muffler there. Still there. Nothing happened to it. All right, there's a big resonator that was on it that we took off. They're excited. Woo! That was like you guys got to the top of the, the ride that you were about to go down. You're like, woo! Let's go! All right, here we go. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. All right, guys, round 2 on this 2025 VW GTI. Check it out. He came earlier in the month, and we did a resonator delete, as you guys can see. Now he brought it back, and guess what we did? A muffler delete. Because you know what? Why not? It sounds better with a muffler delete. So there it is. Custom built in-house by our beautiful exhaust team, as you guys can see. Right there. Came out really nice, really clean. And then we had to finish it off with some double wall tips just to give it that nice look. But there it is for your viewing pleasure. And there's that stupid huge muffler. We hate you, muffler. Kick it, kick it. And that's the owner kicking it too. You're not supposed to kick it that hard, bro. But there it is.
Nice.
So, and we match it in the Jordans. Look, Jordans. Supporting Jordan with the Jordans.
Sir, supporting Jordans.
Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear. All right, guys, here we go. You guys ready to hear it? I know they are.
Let's go.
Give it some gas, man. Take the muffler out. Definitely take the muffler out.
Yeah.
Now at least it has some tone.
It has a little bit of tone, yeah.
Yeah, it is sitting still too.
Oh, yeah. It's not bad. Put it in custom.
Put it in custom. Everything's becoming fancy screens now. Let's see if it changes the shift points.
Bounce it off the barrier. Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, there we go. Yes. Hold on, I'm gonna take actually a video. My son's friend has one of those. Show him how happy you are.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
You gotta do it to yours, Alex. Rev it high. Then you can start having some pops.
So it limits it in 3,000 RPM.
Yes, until you go down the road. Yeah, there's a rev limiter on it. Again? So imagine when you go down the road. It's gonna be nice. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 95. It's not bad with a stock muffler still.
Yeah,
That's not bad. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Back to the action. VW GTI. I love how the camera is in the emblem itself. That's so cool. It flips up like that. That's cool. Imagine you put a tune on this thing. Oh, is it? For now.
For now, yeah. For now.
Yeah.
A couple more months and we'll probably be good.
Yeah, it'll change up. Yeah, that's perfect.
So much better sounding.
Go ahead. 2025 GTI with muffler and resonator delete. Part 2. Go ahead. Much better.
Way better. Yeah. Yeah. Put it in sport. You remember how to put it in sport?
There's idle on it, guys, for you. So it's fully straight pipe other than the cat. No tune, nothing. There's marbles now.
Marbles.
Double step it. Trying to get it verbal a little bit more. Here's sound decibels for you guys. Go ahead. 96. Perfect. Again.
There you go.
There it is. warmed up. And guys, hold on. He's got a business he's opening up, so go support him. If you're a gamer,
dimwatch.don'tgetrammed.com. We make RAM affordable and cheaper and more, just more affordable. More affordable for the average user, for the company, the business, whoever.
what is it again? Slowly.
It's don'tgetrammed.com. All one word, no spaces.
All right, go see him, guys. Again. Hell yeah. Let's see when it pops. Go ahead. It's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Come and see us for all your exhaust needs. And remember, don'tgetrammed.com.
Don't Get Rammed and exhaust addicts.
Yes. Here we go.
Support them both.
Absolutely. You go live when? When do you guys go live?
We went live around 2.5 months ago.
Okay.
Feels
All right.
nice.
Feels nice to own your own business. I always love to support entrepreneurship. Hell yeah. Dude, that pop is insane.
So aggressive. I love it.
Look how clean it is, yo.
VW GTI. Ready for the roads. Let's see if it barbles down the road. So it's quiet stock, like sitting still. It's not crazy loud. It has a little tone to it. But when you take off, it should barble a lot more. Oh, look at that GMC right after. He's chasing him down. That's his friend, by the way. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode out of a GTI. Here we go. GTI 2025 with full straight pipes. Lots of pops. You guys ready to hear it pop? Whoa! That's crazy. Beast mode out of a GTI. Stay tuned for more content, guys. Watch us, come see us, call us, all that good stuff.